this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to test your stick drift on your PlayStation 5 controller. So I have the DualSense Edge controller, the Pro controller, and you can do this two different ways. So if you have the normal controller, the best way to test this is by downloading Call of Duty. And if you get Warzone, Warzone is a free download, so you can get that. Then when you get to the game, you can press Options on here. And then you can go over to Settings and go to Controller. So anyone can do this. If you have a PlayStation 5, you can do this. So just get Warzone and download that down. And then going down to where it says Deadzone Inputs, press Square, and go to Test Stick Drift. Then over here, you can see if you have any stick drift. And you'll notice if you have stick drift, if the horizontal and the vertical y-axis right here is anything but 0, 0. So it looks like my controller is good. And it's staying put right there at -1, -2, so that doesn't look all that bad. Now, if you do have the DualSense Edge controller, you can press Options, go back to the home screen here, go to Settings, scroll on down, and we want to go to where it says Accessories. Then go to DualSense Edge Wireless Controller and go to Custom Profiles. Then under here, we have to assign a profile or just go to a profile that we made. So I'm going to go to my FPS profile right here. Go to where it says Stick Sensitivity in Deadzones. Then I'm going to go to the right stick. And you can see if I have stick drift, it's going to display on here. Now it doesn't look all that bad. So if it looks like this or something, you're probably going to have stick drift if it's not directly in the middle. Now you could also increase your dead zones. So if I increase the dead zone, you can see this little black circle. That is my dead zone. So my controller movement is not going to register until I get beyond this black barrier. So all that fine-tuned movement in the middle is going to be completely lost. So you're going to be less precise, but your controller won't have stick drift. So you can check it out and test it in two different ways. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.